are going to learn about equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions are nothing but equal fractions. Now, what do equivalent or equal fractions mean? They are the fractions which have the same value, though they may look different. For example, we have 1 over 2, comma 2 over 4, comma 3 over 6, comma 5 over 10. These all fractions, they look different, but ultimately we see that they all have the same value, 1 over 2. Let's see how the equivalent fractions look and how we see that different looking fractions, how they have got the same value. So here 1 and 2 cannot be divided further. So 1 and 2 cannot be reduced further because they both don't go in any other same table apart from 1. So 1 upon 2 is written as it is. Here the fraction 2 over 4 has got 2 in the numerator and 4 in the denominator. 2 and 4 both are even numbers, so both can be divided by 2. So 2 divided by 2 gives 1. 4 divided by 2 gives 2. So 2 over 4 when reduced gives us 1 over 2. Let us see another fraction, 3 over 6. Now if you observe 3 over 6 closely, you will notice that 3 and 6 both go in the common table of 3. So 3 divided by 3 and 6 divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 gives 1 over 6 divided by 3 gives 2. So you can see 3 over 6 has been reduced to 1 over 2. And lastly 5 over 10. 5 and 10 both go in the same table 5. So 5 divided by 5 and 10 divided by 5. 5 divided by 5 gives 1. 10 divided by 5 gives 2. So again the fraction 5 over 10 has been reduced or changed to 1 over 2. So you can see the fractions 1 over 2, 2 over 4, 3 over 6 and 5 over 10 are all reduced to 1 over 2, 1 over 2, 1 over 2 and 1 over 2, which tell us that fractions which have the same value, though they looked different. Such fractions are called as equivalent fractions. Now we'll see the diagrammatical representation of all these fractions. 1 over 2. So here I have taken a big square which is divided into 2 equal parts, out of which one part is shaded. 2 over 4. The same square I have divided into 4 equal parts, out of which 2 are shaded. 3 over 6. The same big square is classified into 6 equal parts, out of which 3 are shaded. 5 over 10, that same big square is divided into 10 equal parts, out of which 5 are shaded. So if you see the shaded portion in 1 over 2, 2 over 4, 3 over 6 and 5 over 10 all are the same. So which shows us again that fractions which have the same value but they look little different are called as equivalent fractions. Let us see some more examples. 2 over 3, 8 over 12, 10 over 15, 14 over 21. So here 2 over 3 is the first fraction. Now this cannot be reduced further. Means we do not have any other number in which table both of this will go. So we keep 2 over 3 as it is. The next fraction is 8 over 12. If you observe these numbers carefully, you will notice that 8 and 12 are also even number and they definitely go in the table of 2, but apart from the table of 2, they both also go in the same table 4. So I divide both of them by 4, which would give me 4 2s are 8 upon 4 3s are 12. So I write this 2 over 3 as it is, the first fraction, and 8 over 12 gives me 2 over 3. Now if you carefully observe 10 over 15, you will notice that these both numbers also go in same table, and that table is 5, correct. 5 2s are 10, over 5 3s are 15. And lastly, we have 14 over 21. If you carefully observe these two numbers, you will notice that they both go in the table of 7. 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. So here we get again that these fractions, they look different, but ultimately they all have the same value, 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3 and 2 by 3. So these fractions are equivalent fractions.